Today I'll be unboxing the new Haunted Mansion mystery pins. These were released in July of 2024 and are available in the parks and sometimes at the Disney store for $19.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs feature various characters from the Haunted Mansion. So the pin designs we can get are the Hatbox Ghost, the Bride, the Black Cat, the Mummy, Madame Leota, the Opera Singer, the Caretaker, and the Caretaker's dog. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I would like to get the whole collection, but if I can't, the ones I want the most are the Hatbox Ghost and Madame Leota. I think those would look great on a Haunted Mansion pin board. But let's check these out, see what they look like, and almost dropped them. All right, they feel like they're decent size. Let's see what we get for pin 1. We are starting off with the Opera Singer. So we have the Opera Singer. She's got her cool hat with the wings there, and it looks like at the bottom she's got a little skull and in some type of wreath. Are those roses? I don't know. It's Haunted Mansion. Are they dead roses? Something has to make sense, right? All right, so we have the Opera Singer there, and pin 2 is the Caretaker. That one's cool. It's always a great character. I love when you turn that corner in the on the ride and you have the Caretaker and his dog. That is very cool. So we got the Opera Singer and the Caretaker. So we have 2 down and 6 to go. Hey, maybe this will be the one where I complete the unboxing. Looking at the back here, this one is different. It is Madame Leota. All right. So we got one of the ones I wanted here. So we have Madame Leota's head in the glass orb. And it looks like they all have the same little skull down at the bottom and the same type of flowers going around them. Pin 4, we have, I think I see the Opera Singer's hat, and I do. So we got another Opera Singer. So we have our first double there. Okay, we've got room for a few doubles, but that's it. That's all the room we have. So let's see, into box 3 now. And pin 5. It looks a little familiar on the back, but it's not. It is the Bride. So we have the Bride, have her white wedding dress there, and she is surrounded by the flowers. She has some more flowers right in front of her too. Okay. Come on, let's get the Hatbox Ghost. This one, I didn't cut the bag good enough, but it is a Hatbox Ghost. I had it backwards, almost showing you, but I can kind of see the top hat. It's like, oh, yes. So we have the Hatbox Ghost there, and he's holding the Hatbox up a little bit. I don't think these glow in the dark. I'll check. I always check. Anytime you get like a Halloween pin or a Haunted Mansion pin, I always make sure that if they glow in the dark or not. Because sometimes they don't say, and then they will. You're like, wow, okay. Didn't know I had some of my pins that glue in the dark. Okay, so we have 5 out of the 8. And this one is the Mummy. Nice, we have the Mummy there. And what is he holding? Is he like drinking a cup of coffee? That's kind of what it looks like to me, I don't know. All right, so we have 6 out of the 8 with 3 pins to go. All right, let's see. Ooh, this one looks different from the back. I think I might see some cat ears. And I do. We have the Black Cat. And he's got one eye opened, and I don't know. Did he have another eye? Is he missing his other eye? That's pretty cool. Okay, so we have 7 out of the 8. So the only one I'm missing so far is the Caretaker's dog. And I have 2 pins to go. Can I do it? I don't know, but it's fun to at least have a shot at it, right? Let's see. Can we get the Caretaker's dog? Not in this one. This is another bride. So we'll put that one there. And let's see what we get. Our last pin. Be awesome if it's the dog, but if not, hey, we're only one away. And oh, I can see some cat ears. And it is another black cat. So, got a few doubles there, but wow. Got 7 out of the 8. I love that. I only have to look for a 1 pin to complete the collection. So those were the Haunted Mansion mystery pins. Which one was your favorite out of these 7? My favorite is the Hatbox Ghost. I just like that one a little bit better than the others. I do like the Hatbox Ghost character, so he always makes a really good pin. But it's always followed closely by Madame Leota, and sometimes the Bride has some pretty cool pins too. But I'm gonna give the edge to the Hatbox Ghost in this collection. And this was a great unboxing for me, getting 7 out of the 8. That is awesome. So I only need 1 to complete this collection, and that is the Caretaker's dog. So I'll be looking for that one, and then my collection will be completed. Very nice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.